Xin chào, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays, making milk from nuts is really common. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my favorite one in the really simple way. Here I have 500 grams of peanuts, some bandanas leaves, 2 liters of water. Let's get started. I will roast the peanuts in the pan until they get brown and their skin will start peeling off. Make sure that you use the medium heat and keep mixing them well. Now we leave them here for cooling off in 10 to 15 minutes. It's time to peel off the skin. Don't forget to remove the bad nuts while peeling off the skin. Now I'm done with peeling off the skin. I'm gonna blend the peanuts with water. I divide the peanuts into 2 parts. I blend each part once with water, and the third time I will blend all of them together. In total, I will use 2 liters of water. Make sure you blend them as fine as possible. Here I'm using this filter to filter the milk. If you like the milk to be smoother, you should use a net or you need to filter twice or 3 times. I like the milk to be more crunchy, so I only filter once. I'll continue doing the same with the rest of the peanuts. And now I'm blending all of them together. Here I have some bandanas leaves to make the smell of the milk better. If you don't have them, you can use vanilla, or it's totally optional not to use them. And now I'm boiling the milk in the medium heat. Keep mixing the milk while boiling to make sure that they won't be burned in the bottom of the pot. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, I turn off the heat and leave the pot there for 5 minutes for the leaves to release the smell into the milk. With this peanut milk, you can drink like this, or you can add some condensed milk like the way I drink, or you can add some sugar as well. But be careful that peanut milk could make you gain weight really quickly, so don't drink too much. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and good luck with making this milk. Stay happy and healthy. Enjoy! See you next time!